What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is gonna be a very chill day, I think, in the shop. I do have some really big news that I will let you guys know later on, but it's a very nice, like, calm, gloomy, cold, somewhat cold day. It's only 65 degrees out, which is a very nice change of pace from the 100-degree days that we've been having. So what I want to do first thing in the morning is what I've been wanting to do since the day we've got the shop, is clean all the cars. All the cars are dirty from driving down that gravel road at the old shop at my parents' place. Gravel driveway, constantly had all my cars dirty, so they're still dirty. The only thing we've cleaned so far is my brother Cameron's truck, so we still have Bobby's STI to clean, the Evo 10, Evo 8, FRS, STI, and the bike. I don't know if we're gonna get all that done this morning before we have to go do other things with our life today, but I'm gonna start out with the bike, get the bike all cleaned up. We need to figure out if we're gonna keep this pressure washer that we picked up yesterday or not. I kind of like it. I kind of feel like it's not enough power or pressure, so I may have to swap that out for a little bit better one. I don't know. We're gonna figure that out today. Let's get to washing and get everything cleaned up. All right, boys, we got the STI cleaned up. Looking absolutely beautiful, sitting back here in the corner. Before we clean up the Evo 8, we got a little bit of a problem. Bobby just called me and she locked herself out of the apartment. You doing all right?
No, I'm so clunky and all I want to do is go inside.
What happened?
I locked myself out.
Why would you do that?
I didn't want to.
Would you like your STI back?
Yes.
Can I have my Evo back?
No. Sorry. Thanks for getting me.
I got you, dog.
I just was stuck watching TikTok all day long.
All right, so we have every single car cleaned up except for Bobby's car. Evo 8's clean, Evo 10's clean, FRS is clean, STI is clean. If they can stay clean for at least a solid week, why are you laughing at me? If they could stay clean for a week, I'd be very happy. Stop laughing at me, Bobby.
Do I get to clean the inside?
Yes, we need to have a talk.
On our new couch?
Welcome to the casting couch.
Okay.
Show me what we're working with.
My interview skills.
I'm really tired. You wanna know something? Guess what? We can move into our house today.
They already called you?
They called me this morning.
They already freaking called you, you brat.
So we are moving into a new home. This is so hectic. I just moved into my shop.
Are you gonna show them a tour today, or can you do it another day?
I can do it tomorrow.
Well, because if you guys are curious and you want the inside scoop of our new place, head over to my YouTube video.
No, don't.
Yeah.
You can just stay here and watch it tomorrow. Our house is bigger, a lot bigger than the apartment. I'm pretty hyped for that. And our shop is cool, so I'm really moving up in life.
The only thing I don't like about the house is it's outdated.
We're not buying the damn thing, we're renting the damn thing.
I know, but it's just kind of grungy.
And I just fixed my Evo 8 as well, guys. It wasn't the alternator or the battery. You want to tell them what it was?
It was a wire.
Fuse.
It was a fuse that was broken, loose.
So yesterday, for some reason, I wasn't really thinking clearly. So when a car's running, the alternator charges the battery. You know this, correct?
Yeah.
When the car's off, the battery fully charged battery is about 12.6 volts. When it's running, it should be, I think, 13.8 to 14.2 volts, somewhere in that range, correct? And when the Evo 8 was running yesterday, it was only at 12.7 volts. So I was like,
That's a no-no.
I got to thinking, and I'm like, why is it improper? So I checked the Evo 10 just to like make sure. And the Evo 10 was like 14.2 volts. So I already put a new alternator in the car. I put a new battery in the car. Both, you know, expensive. Well, not really, because I got a free battery. And then I got to thinking, I'm like, I'm gonna check a fuse. So I checked the fuse on my fusible link, and it was popped. So I swapped it real quick, and I checked it, and now we're good.
Perfect.
I hate when I start with hard stuff first instead of easy stuff.
And also, you have so many juicy ones.
Get out of here. I need to buy a car or something. I want to buy a new car really badly. What do you think?
And I'm really happy you got your Eva fixed, okay?
I don't like to drive cars when they're when they run good. I like the thrill of maybe breaking down. Like my Evo 10 maybe break down because she built. My Evo 8 just breaks down because she built.
That doesn't make any sense.
My FRS battery likes to die, so it's kind of fun to drive. So you want to clean all my cars inside?
Today?
Right now.
All of them right now.
Well, you can start with the Evos because they're more important. I'll wash your exterior.
I don't think you realize what I do when I clean the inside.
Bobby, some is better than none. Oh, so that was the big news. I told earlier we had big news.
Oh.
The big news is that we're moving to a new house, which is sick. It has a 2-car garage as well. So I'll probably leave one of these cars there full time.
Yeah.
Just to have more space in the shop for my next project.
Coda's gonna be running so free.
Let's get to work. Someone on YouTube today said he had a fake butt. The last car to clean today is the STI exterior. And while I'm doing that, Bobby's gonna work her magic on some interiors of some of the cars. They're all really dirty. They've all been very neglected, but now that we have our own shop and we can always keep, every single car is always gonna be indoors now. It's so sick. They're all gonna be so nice and not faded and just so nice and stuff. Pretty sick.
That I did in your Evo.
Okay. You got it all cleaned up, huh? Good job, Bob. You're such a good interior detail.
And good girlfriend. Don't forget about that. Pickles!
What about pickles?
Pickles! It's supposed to make you sneeze. Ah!
What?
What the heck is that?
I don't know, probably a booger. Oh, that's definitely not a booger.
Ah! The block got the whole thing.
Ow. So we're all finished up, right? Cleaning cars? Are we done? Bobby wants me to be done at the shop for the day, and I don't know why.
Well, because we have to go do the rest of our 75 hard.
And we have to go look at the new house. Am I allowed to show them the house? Welcome to my crib.
Okay, close the garage.
I want to paint this so bad. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a quick little tour of the new place. This is not very nice, but Bobby and I just wanted something with a lot of space for now instead of something really nice and a lot of space, which we couldn't really afford. So here is the room where all the merch is gonna be. Gonna have a ton of racks in here, blah, blah, blah. This is all for just clothing and that's it. Dope, until I outgrow it and then I'll have to upgrade again. Washer dryer room. Keep that door open at all times to just peek at the Eva. This is most likely gonna be like a office type of thing. This is where all the labels will be printed out of. So computer desk there, one of the Macs here. One of the Macs is gonna be upstairs. That's gonna be an editing computer. Let's head upstairs. I can't really kind of remake this video when it's my own house and I just bought it and it's really nice or built it, you know? You feel?
Yep.
This is merch room number 2.
Honey.
Yeah.
Say that again.
This is merch room number 2. This is our kitchen.
This is the living room, is what Devin meant. This is the eyesore of the place.
What? This is a sick ass kitchen.
Honey, it's just really outdated.
I know, it's fine, I don't care. As long as she holds beer, in 70 days I can have a beer again. I feel it, alright. Probably swap out some LED bulbs, and then from over here, we have a bathroom. We have...
Hold on, baby, you gotta show them.
This is gonna be, I don't know, Bobby's room.
Yeah.
Bobby's like studio. After we get some lights up here. And then over here, we have our bedroom. So this is where all the magic happens. No?
How are our clothes gonna fit in my closet?
I don't know. So as you can see, you know, it's old.
And also,
Oh, there's a bathroom over here, which no one cares about. This is where Daddy goes poo-poo.
honey.
As you can see, it's not the nicest place in the world, but it's big, which is all we needed. That's it. We're gonna lease this out for a year, and then hopefully in the next year, Bobby gets her, you know, panties out of a bunch. What do you think?
Coda's gonna love this place.
You like it?
Mhm.
Bobby hates it, I can tell.
I don't hate it. It's just hard going from an apartment that's like brand new and then to a dingy dungeon. I'm just kidding. We'll make this so cute. My sister's so good at decorating. She's gonna help me.
I'm just happy we have a 2-car garage, so I can store 2 cars here and 6 cars at the shop. That means I can have 8. I can put 7 cars at the shop, 2 cars here. I can have 9 cars.
Also, we have this really nice fireplace. It's gas, even.